Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Monthly, July 11th. For June 27th to July 1st, miles of good agreement here. We have a ridge over the Eastern Pacific. We'll have a trough here in the west that will develop. And then we'll have a ridge here of the Central Plain extending it to Canada. And I'll show you that as we go through the period. And you can see what I'm talking about. This ridge sinks into the west. This ridge slides off to the east. And then we have a trough here over the northeast. Now during this period we will have a cold front that will be pushing through the Ohio-Tennessee Valley with locally heavy rain possible, and then we will have an all frontal boundary across the southeast will cause showers and storms. And this is an area that again doesn't need much rain. I will have a cold front that will move to the west this weekend. We'll go back here a little bit, and this will be the focus for showers and storms, and this activity will spread into the Rockies and north central states as we go through the period. And look what we have here. Height falls along with the front. Very strong dynamics may cause snow to fall across the highest elevations of the Rockies. The west will experience temperatures of 10 to 15 degrees below normal and above normal temperatures forecast for the central states with anomalies of 6 degrees or more. We're going to look at the period for July 2nd to the 6th. And a ridge remains over the Eastern Pacific. We have a trough in the west, and the central plains ridge slides further to the east. But at the same time, if we take a look at the European ensembles, the ridge is back here to the west, and we'll take a look at the European. Let me see if I have that up. Well, the European weeklies also have the ridge further to the west. Now, if this is right, then temperatures in the east would be cooler than, or won't be as warm as forecast. So for now, I'm forecast for this period. I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here. But again, if the European ensembles are right, then the temperature will be closer to normal. But for now, forecasting anomalies near 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Below normal precipitation is forecast here, with the probability of occurrence of 40%. Looking ahead now for the period for July 7th to the 11th. More of a zonal flow is forecasted near to above normal heights of forecast across much of the nation. So therefore, not expecting big temperature extremes. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the southern Rockies. Probability of occurrence is 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 27th through July 11th. Thanks for coming to Jim Monthly's World of Weather, and have a good day.